The imposter syndrome. The imposter syndrome is a problem for everyone to some degree. Even, for example, people that make $1 million a year, well, they want to get to the next tier. Maybe that's 10 million a year. People that's making 10 million a year, maybe they want to get to the next tier. That's $100 million a year. And they always, to some degree, look at people who have already achieved what they're doing. And I think at some point, all of us fall into that trap of comparing ourselves. Maybe we only have 2 years in and we're starting a YouTube channel and we only have 100 videos. But maybe somebody else has been doing it for 8 years and they have 1,000 videos. We will look at the person that has 8 years in and 1,000 videos and 20,000 subscribers, and we'll say, well, or whatever the number is. I just made up a number. And then we'll say, well, look at my channel. I've been doing this for 2 years. I've been putting in this work and I only have 1,000 subscribers. Do not compare yourself, because your journey, your path is different from everyone else's journey. There are some people who start and they blow up in like 2 years. But I bet you they're intentional about what they're doing. So how do you get over it? Got 3 tips for you. First thing is to rally around small wins. And the small wins could be, for instance, let's say you start some channel or something and you get 100 subscribers. Well, go have you a glass of wine or something if you drink it, if that's your thing. Let's say you reach 1,000 subscribers, or you get a certain amount of feedback on a post. Now, I'm not about vanity metrics at all, but I think once you have these little small wins that help you to see that, okay, I'm making forward progress, then it helps you to stay motivated. I don't need motivation, and I really use metrics. The way you can see, we'll get to that. I probably have that. All right, 2, I already said this. Don't compare yourself. That's my second tip. Don't compare yourself. Your trajectory, your path is not the same as someone else's. And 3, have a long-term goal and look at your metrics regularly. This is what I was going to say before. If you're sticking to your plan, you should see some growth, even if it's just 1%. Every week on Friday, I look at my analytics on my YouTube channel. I look at the analytics on LinkedIn. I look at wherever I'm at. I look at the analytics at the end of the week, because the numbers don't lie. And I compare them to the week before. I don't always do this, but I compare them. And the question I ask myself, is this week, is it better than last week? Is the watch time just slightly more? If last week my watch time was 1 minute and 30 seconds average, is this week 1 minute and 50 something seconds? Is it higher? As long as it's going in an upward trajectory, you know you're making progress, and that is what you should compare your success to. Then that way you know you're moving the needle. So I would look at your metrics on a regular basis and use that as a measure of success. And that's how you can get over the imposter syndrome. Those are just tips. We all have things that keep us stuck, but I don't want you to get stuck anymore. I've been doing this for a while, and I know how to do systems and how to be focused on something so that I can get it done. And by the way, thank you. I just recently reached 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you all for who watch, share, like, comment. It does not go unnoticed, and I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you. I love you. If you want a proven plan, a tailored game plan for you, then let's hop on a call. Let's hop on a 1-hour coaching call and let me mentor you. Let's get some organization and see where you want to go. And by the end of the call, you'll have a tailored game plan specific to you and your business. I'll leave the link down in the description if you're interested. If it works for you, cool. If it doesn't work for you, that's cool too. I just want you to make sure that you're following somebody, that you're getting knowledge from somebody, that you're trying to improve, that you're trying to move forward, and don't give yourself excuses. This is the Mindset and Entrepreneur series. I'm Mario Rivers. Now, if you like this video, you should check this other video